Hey there, getting ready to unmold this beautiful pour that I just did. Looks like a peacock. The colors are just gorgeous. Used a new pigment by Black Diamond Pigments. It's a color shifting, and it is, I'm so impressed. I was first complaining about how expensive it was, but it is definitely worth it. If you can see the shimmer and how the colors change. I used royal gold from My Spring around the top, and I blended it in there, and just beautiful. So happy with the way it came out. Crafted Elements mold. These are amazing, thick, beautiful, definitely made to last. So we're gonna get quite a few uses out of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like, and hopefully I did the right depth that I'm gonna be able to cut and do some nice, yeah. This is how it came out. Beautiful. If you can see the colors, like blues and greens. Yep, and the depth is perfect. I'm gonna be cutting them with my table saw into coasters. So this is gonna be a set of 4 coasters. It'll be available online in the next week. All right, thank you.